Hey everyone, welcome to Myth Talk. Today's Myth Talk was supposed to happen last week, but again I apologize about that. We did not have the internet on in our new house yet, but it is up and running now. So let's get started with the Leviathan Myth Talk. I thought I would start out with the supernatural version of the Leviathans, also called the Old Ones, the Chompers, or Levis for short, are ancient monsters that served as God's very first beasts. Thus, they predated angels, humans, and the soul itself. The creatures provided to be hungry and destructive, so God created purgatory and locked them inside. They were eventually released when Castiel opened purgatory and absorbed all the souls inside in order to defeat Raphael. Upon their release, the Leviathans attempted to conquer the North America and place themselves as the new dominant species on the planet, subsequently harvesting the human race as their primary and abundant fuel source while eliminating all other competitors and threats to their food. And that's about it for them. Here's some looks of the Leviathans on the show. But let's move on to the actual Leviathans. So, Leviathan is a sea monster referenced in the Hebrew Bible in the book of Job, Psalms, and Isaiah. The Leviathan of the book of Job is reflected of the order of Lotan, a primeval monster defeated by the god Hadad, parallels to the role of Mesopotamian Tiamat, defeated by Marduk, have long been drawn in comparative mythology, as have been wilder comparisons to dragon and world serpent narratives such as Hydra slaying Vertra and Thor slaying Jormungandr. But Leviathan already figures in the Hebrew Bible as a metaphor for a powerful enemy, notable Babylon, Isaiah of 2017.1, and some scholars have pragmatically interpreted it as referring to large aquatic creatures such as a crocodile. The word later came to be used as a term for great whale, as well as sea monsters in general. Now, what that's pretty much saying is that they don't know necessarily what it really is, but more commonly known, it is more so being some type of sea creature or large aquatic creature. And that thing. In some cases, it might even be considered a dragon or a water dragon. But it is a part of the Hebrew Bible as well, among other Bibles as well, in many cultures, including Christianity, and in it where it was used as an image of Satan, endangering both God's creatures by attempting to eat them and God's creation by threatening it with unhealing in the water of chaos. St. Thomas Aquinas described Leviathan as the demon of envy, first in punishing the corresponding sinners. Peter Binsfield likewise classified Leviathan as the demon of envy as one of the 7 princes of hell, corresponding to the 7 deadly sins. Leviathan became associated with, and many originally have referred to, the visual motif of the hellmouth, a monstrous animal into whose mouth the damned appear at the Last Judgment, found in Anglo-Saxon art from about 1800 and later all over Europe. The Revised Standard Version of the Bible suggests in a footnote to Job 41.1 that Leviathan may be a name for the crocodile, and in a footnote to Job 40.15 that Behemoth may be the name for the hippopotamus. Young Earth creationists have also identified Leviathan and Behemoth with dinosaurs. So no one really understands what they truly are supposed to be. What it's saying is, but there is different versions, and also that there is many different people saying that Leviathan might not actually be the word to describe these things, because Leviathan could be described nowadays as many different creatures, including the likes of sea monsters and crocodiles, etc. And with that said, that's going to end out our myth talk for this week. Next week's myth talk will be on skinwalkers. Have a great day. Peace. Thank you guys for watching.